Retirement strategies for couples that are both federal employees. Are you and your spouse both federal employees? If so, stay tuned for the next episode of All About FERS. Hi, I'm John Raleigh, certified financial planner with All About FERS. And today we're going to talk about an issue for couples that are both federal employees. Now, this is really a great situation if you fit into this category, but there are consequences for every decision you make. Every decision you make, you open one door and close another. Now, in my 30 years as a financial advisor, I've seen all different responses to this question. What do you want to have happen to your spouse if you're no longer here? I've had some responses. I want my spouse not to have any money worries. I want my spouse to be comfortable. I want my spouse's next boyfriend or girlfriend to work, which is code, not live off my money. And yes, the mind-blowing answer to me, I don't care what happens, I'm not here. I'm not here to judge you and your answers, but I am here to help my clients get what they want. So let's look at some of the major factors that will help make your decisions. First one is age. Specifically, what is the age difference between you and your spouse? Spouses of similar ages have very different needs than spouses with large age differences. 2, earning difference. Is there an earning difference or gap between earnings between both spouses? 3, retirement date differences. Will one spouse retire before the other? And what is that time difference? Once those are addressed, we can then look at the bigger decisions that will have to be made. Let's look into the big issues. And let's look where you should start. The first one is your survivor benefits. And I'm specifically talking about survivor benefits for your pension. You know there's a decision you need to make with regards to a survivor if you've qualified for your pension. How much of the payment you will receive, how much your spouse will receive if you're not here, and what that will cost you. Understanding what your needs are and how you will meet those needs is a great place to start. Next, FEHB eligibility and payment. You may not be aware, but while you're working, your payment for FEHB is paid with pre-tax dollars. But when you retire, your costs are post-tax. That difference can cause issues for cash flow and affect your taxes in retirement. You worked hard for these great benefits. Using them to your advantage only makes sense, but making the wrong decision also can be costly. Social Security, when to take Social Security, how to take it, who's to take. These are decisions that all have significant impact on your retirement. All these decisions need to be made with an assumption on how long you're going to live. If you die soon, it makes sense to take Social Security as soon as you're eligible. If you live long, delay Social Security as long as possible. But what if one spouse lives long and the other one does not? How does this affect the survivor? All these factors will have an impact on the outcome. As you can see, there are a lot of doors to open and close. The benefits you've earned are very powerful, and using them to the greatest advantage can significantly affect your retirement. Good decisions positively affect, bad decisions negatively affect. I hope this gives you a better understanding of some of the options you have if you fit into this category. Thanks for stopping by All About FERS, and until next time, happy planning.